Guys, I'm showing you this bone conduction headphones with a Bluetooth 5.3, open ear headphones with mic, premium loud sound with 8 hours playtime and a Bluetooth headphones. So you can see comes in a nice gift box. This is the accessory box with a manual charging cable. So USB-C charging, and this is the main headphones. So this one is a sports headphone, and you can see like the bone conduction here as well. There is no speaker on the top, so this will not go into the ear, and it's a open air or open ear headphones. So this is the charging port. You can charge this headphones with the USB and the USB-C port here. See this indicator. So once this is done charging, we can try to use and connect. So these have the buttons. Let's start, or open this one. This starts searching for the Bluetooth. So I'm putting and searching for the Bluetooth here. So once the Bluetooth is here, you can see that it's attached, and now we will just put it on the ear and see the design. So as I put, you can see it's not going into the ear. It's a open ear design. With the back it's fitting well, side fitting well, and the sound quality is really loud, and it goes like the bone conduction. So nice headphones.